Hey, what's up? James here. And so it's been a while since I've actually done one of these videos. I've been traveling a lot. Just had a lot of stuff going on. So anyways, I'm getting back in the swing of things here in my office and starting to pump out a lot more of these videos. Okay, so I really just want to show you guys in this video a case study of a trade I did called, the coin is called Lisk. All right, it's LSK on the exchanges like on Bittrex. And I'm looking at the Lisk to the US dollar chart. A lot of times when I do technical analysis, I like to look at the US dollar charts because there's not all the volatility with Bitcoin and stuff like that. And sometimes it's easier to kind of see what's really happening with that coin. All right. So hopefully, I know there's a lot of stuff going on with Bitcoin and things like that. Hopefully you are riding Bitcoin up to hopefully $10,000 to $13,000, and we'll see how far it goes. Okay. So here's the chart on Lisk, and you can kind of see again the pattern that we trade a lot, you know, is Elliott wave theory. You start to see these waves play out over and over again in the markets. Okay, it just happens all the time. All right, so this is kind of what happens. Okay, so once you see this first wave play out, let's say like if I just moved this all the way over. All right, let's just say if this is all that we saw on the chart. All right, what you could do is you could take a Fibonacci extension tool and you could do something like this. Okay, you just go from the top of the first wave down to the bottom, and what you would come over with is these extension points. Now, a lot of times this second, you know, this is if this is the let's do like this. All right, so we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so a lot of times this 3 will come up to around the 1.618, somewhere in there. You can see that it actually went a little bit above it. So that was a good target for 3 if you wanted to get out there if you got in really low. The next thing was really you can just look at this chart, and depending on your entry, you want to try to buy on the 0, the 2, or the 4. Usually the 2 or the 4 is what I'm buying on, and you want to exit at the 3 or the 5. Okay, so I'm going to show you my entry and my exit, and again, this is how we played this coin. Is basically just Elliott waves. I mean, it happens over and over again in the market. So once this first wave happened, we kind of know a general area of where the 3 is going to go. And then a lot of times the coin will retrace back down to the top of the 1. And then we have these extension targets going up to the 5. So a lot of times the 5 will be around the 2.618. It was right there. And so let me go over to the LSK Bitcoin chart. It looks a little different. You can see, it just looks different. So what happened here, because Bitcoin was moving a lot during this period, I actually got in LSK around 66,130. Okay, so I got in LSK, it was right around there, and I got out at 136. So I got a 105% gain on this one trade because of Elliott wave theory, because of learning this stuff. And actually, this was a signal that my friend Dallin gave out inside of our community. So not only did I make 105% gain on this trade, a lot of the people in our community did as well. So just wanted to show you guys that case study, kind of how we traded it. This is a very simple concept. I don't want to make this video longer than it needs to be. But if you're interested in getting signals like that and learning how to make these types of gains in cryptocurrency, then just click the link below this video, check out what we have, and you know, the reality is cryptocurrency is not going away. It's going to keep getting better and better and better over time. There's a lot more money flowing into cryptocurrency. So I want to encourage you to jump in, learn how to do some trading. There's a lot of learning involved, but the concepts are simple, right? If you could take a little bit of time over the next few months, you can learn a skill that could potentially change your life. So anyways, I hope this video helped you. Hope you, you know, got something out of this video with reference to technical analysis and how we trade. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.